guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Now today I was so darn excited to show you what I have that I just basically jumped out of the shower, got dressed, and came out here to show you what I have in this massive package. It is, I think it might be my first, it's either pronounced Shein or Shein. I think it's Shein. My first Shein haul on this channel. Guys, if you're not familiar with Shein, it is a website. They also have an app, and they offer all kinds of personal care, health, beauty, home goods. I mean, you name it, they probably got some form of it. Clothing too, clothing for really, really good prices. I love it. Another thing I love about Shein is that you can use Afterpay. And if you're not familiar with that, it is a program that allows you to split your payments up into 4 increments at 2-week intervals. So for Chaos Jen, that means she's a little more tempted to spend more money, hence the humongous bag. Real quick though, before I show you what I got, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And guys, if you're not a member of my family, we are working on getting to that 800 subscriber count so that we can do an 800 subscriber giveaway, which I've already got set up, ready to show you. I just need 4 more subscribers. Now, who knows, by the time you see this, maybe I'll be over 800. Maybe I'll be like way under again, because you guys know YouTube is doing that thing where they're giving you 1, taking away 2, giving you 1, taking away 5 million, and I don't know. I'm gaining subscribers, but YouTube is very picky about the type of subscribers I have, I guess. I don't know. All I know is what I hear from other YouTubers, and I know they're all having issues with it too. So as soon as we get to that 800 though, guys, be watching for that subscriber video. Let's stop the rambling and get to the haul. I seriously have no idea what I ordered. Oh, here's a code for 15% off fall orders if anybody's interested. Oh, it's not fall, it's all orders, because I'm retarded. There you go. Oh, dang it. Let me show you these first, because my husband's going to make fun of me for this. I thought I was ordering pillows. And these were like $3.50. Yeah, he's already laughing. What they are, my friends, are pillow covers. So guess who's going to Tuesday morning to buy pillows today? But look, they're gorgeous. For $3, and they're super soft. I love them and they love me. Here's my next pillow cover. It says Pumpkin Patch. I am obsessed with these pumpkin trucks right now. Obsessed. And I know I got one more pillow. I think this is it. Pillow cover, apparently. It didn't say pillow cover. It probably did. You guys know with my attention span, I probably didn't see that it said cover. Hello, fall. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to start grabbing stuff out of here. I remember what these are. They're socks. Oh my gosh. Are these for human feet? They're very stretchy, so hopefully, I guess if they don't fit me, I'll give them to Ava.
She's bigger feet than me, Mom.
I loved the stripes up at the top, so, oh well.
Those are great for fall colors.
Yeah, they have all the colors. Got some gold ones. For the price, guys, it really doesn't matter. Some orange ones. If they don't fit, they go to the kids. It's not a huge deal. Because I didn't spend that much. I probably paid like $3 for these too. They're not the same size. They're not the same size sock. Look at that, guys. Well, here, let me line up the toes. Look how much bigger that back one is. If anybody looks that close at my ankles, and that's what you get. Yeah, I might wear uneven socks. Don't judge. What's this? Oh, this is a Christmas gift. Shh. Telling Ariana. I got these for Ava. These are glove things that you wear. She loves this weird stuff, but yeah. So it's like this, and it goes on your arm. For her to go up a lot longer, but she likes that kind of stuff, so I thought I would just get it as a little stocking stuffer. Ariana's over here watching just in case there's a gift for her. But what are the chances of me remembering if it's a gift for her or not? Slim to none. Next. Oh my gosh. to get my hair ready for these. I got elf ears. I needed them so bad. Yeah, really did. This is what I went to look for reals. How do I look as an elf? Yes. Perfect for Christmas time. You never know when you're going to need a good set of elf ears. Oh, then I got some earrings. That's what got me hooked on Shein to begin with, is their earrings. They're so inexpensive and the quality is wonderful. Ooh, these are heavy bad boys, but look at the detail on them. Are they not gorgeous? These are cute. They'll look great with my elf ears. Aww, look at this. It's a frog headband for my Mask Mondays. Or another hairband for my Mask Mondays. I think it's a, what is that? A giraffe?
I don't think so.
Maybe it's a goat.
Yeah.
More earrings. Oh, look at those. Those are beautiful and they're so lightweight. So lightweight. Oh, I remember this. It's like Christmas for myself. It's so inexpensive. You order so much you don't remember what it is. This is a butterfly hair clip. Opens like that. And then it's got some butterflies that hang down. So when you clip it in your hair, they'll kind of hang down. Obviously, I'm not going to clip it off the side of my head, but that was very pretty. I picked up some more headbands. I like the ones with the knots on the top. So we've got a gold one. We've got kind of a flowered one with some nice fall colors. And then animal print. Cute. Little owls. Let me see if I can hold still. There we go. Maybe that's better. Ta-da! Another headband. This one's funny because the other ones are very mature. It's a snail. These are some more gloves for Ava, or some arm things for Ava. And they're just kind of like a gray textured material. So I'm not going to take those out because she's getting ready to step out of the shower here. And I don't want her to see them. Got some more earrings. Boy, I went heavy with the earrings this time, didn't I? I went heavy with everything, I think. This is kind of a crazy random haul. I love these. They're very lightweight. Again, animal print. You'll see why I went with so many animal print things here in just a second. These were $1. Y'all ever find yourself out in public somewhere and you need a screwdriver and you don't have one? Well, this is a keychain and it has a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver on it. What are the chances of me remembering to put that on my keychain? Slim to none. We got some more earrings. These are broken. This one's gotta go back. Darn it, I wonder if I can fix it. I bet I can. Anyways, I'll just let them know and they'll send me some new ones, I'm sure. But these are really cute little danglies. I love that they're kind of transparent, so the colors really pop. Let me put those back in the bag, though. I've never gotten a broken product from Shein before, but I'm sure they'll work with me on getting it replaced. Not a huge deal. This is a hair clip, and it's just a moon hair clip or a barrette right here, and it's got this little charm hanging off the side. I've got some glitter eyeshadows. Hopefully you guys can see those. I don't plan on opening those. I'm going to toss them in a giveaway. Have another pair of earrings. That's what those look like. They're really cute. It's got the hooks for the back. And they're very lightweight. Alright, let me show you all the reasons I got all the animal print earrings. I got a shirt. It's like a long john material sleeve. It's got some silky animal print in the middle of the sleeves. And then again here in the middle of the shirt. So I thought this might be kind of fun. Now, one thing with Shein is you have to size up big time. So these are a 3X, only because I knew they were going to be sweatshirt style and I wanted them to be extra baggy. And I think these are going to be perfect. And then I got another animal print shirt. Now, this is more of a sweatshirt material. It is definitely thicker. But we've got the white, the cheetah print, and the black. Again, I got a 3X because I wanted to make sure it was baggy. I usually wear between a large and an extra large. Here's the back of the sleeve. It's kind of like a two-tone sleeve. Isn't that awesome? Alrighty, and then, last but not least, the piece de resistance. I think these might be the reason I got the Shein order. No, you know what it was? I was watching two YouTubers. I was watching two YouTubers. One of them opened the product that I'm about to show you, and another one had earrings that I wanted. I never found the earrings, but I found a couple other things while I was looking for them. So, but I did find the thing that I was looking for from the original YouTuber. This is the She Glam Color Me Coral palette. Yeah. From the picture, it looked like it had some nice fall colors in it. So let's take a peek and see. This is not the one that the other YouTuber was using, but I happened to come across it and I liked it. So take it out of the box.
Where's packaging?
Alright. Oh, those are stunning. It's got a color protector. No mirror. So I can just go ahead and point those in your direction. What do you think of those? I love them. We've got Down to Earth, Peachy Keen, Flamingo, Piece of Cake, Thanks, It's Vintage, Hot Headed, Just a Bite, I Love You, a Latte, and Love Potion. We've got a combination of shimmers and mattes on that bad boy. Beautiful. I love it. Cannot wait to try it. And then my last palette. And the last thing in this haul. So you guys are not going to have to sit here too much longer. I don't remember ordering this one. But it kind of matches the theme of my order. Maybe I just looked for the color palette because I was looking for specific palette colors. And I didn't really pay attention to the name. I'll show you here as soon as I get it open. The name of this palette, it's also by She Glam, is Viva La Leopard. Which is funny because I just got leopard print earrings, shirts, headbands, and now I have Viva La Leopard eyeshadow palette. This is definitely not what I ordered. I knew this did not sound familiar. I'm going to have to decide if I like these colors or not. That is not what I ordered. But, again, I do like the colors. And I like the fact that it's got, it matches my shirts and stuff. So we've got Fast and the Fabulous, Hear Me Roar, Show Your Teeth, Heavenly Habitat, Forest Bound, Catnap, Feline, or Fine Feline, Paws of Attraction, Witty Kitty, Fairy Tales, Golden Coat, and Spotted. We do have a little bit of breakage there. Not a huge amount, though. Glimmer, or we've got some shimmers, and then we've got some mattes. So I do like the colors, but I know this is not what I ordered. Well, maybe they sent me an email and said that they had to replace it. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to look into this and see if I can get the original palette that I wanted. And then I'll get those earrings replaced, too, because those are broken. So, anywho, that is my Shein haul. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I love these hauls. Like I said, very inexpensive, decent quality. Definitely a lot of fun. So, real quick again, guys, if you haven't already, the whole thumbs up and subscribe thing would be wonderfully fantastic. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.